A new development in St. Bernard's fight to stop the Port of New Orleans plan to build a new container terminal in Violet. That story from WGNO's Mallory Smith.
This month's St. Bernard Port Authority meeting was expected to be heated. One of the topics on the table, a new amendment to the ongoing lawsuit filed by the district attorney's office.
It happened the way I played it out to happen. They wasn't going to come out and give any kind of statement on what they're going to do or whatnot. We'll soon find out, but as of right now, they're not going to do it.
Officials say the new amendment to the lawsuit names the St. Bernard Port Authority as a defendant and gives details of a 2020 cooperative endeavor agreement where they transferred the property for the project to the Port of New Orleans.
You know, the suit was filed by the district attorney against the Port of New Orleans, and the Port of New Orleans essentially said, you got to bring in the Port of St. Bernard also as an indispensable party. And so the Port of St. Bernard has to make a decision as to what their position is going to be in that lawsuit.
At the meeting, public comment from residents who say the location of the terminal is too much for the area.
Your predecessor commissioners made an egregious mistake, and you have the opportunity to correct that mistake.
Those opposed say though the fight is far from over, they hope both the Port of New Orleans and St. Bernard Parish prioritize the citizens of the parish.
And this is a long way from a done deal. The Port of New Orleans at this point has only established that they've created a 1,000-acre parking lot. And they're proposing to bring these gigantic ships 80 miles upriver to a deadlocked location. This is just an example why this is never going to happen in St. Bernard.
I hope they join on with the district attorney's lawsuit, and when we fight this as one, it's the right thing to do, and hopefully they'll uphold this, what the citizens of St. Bernard Parish want them to do.
Mallory Smith, WGNO News.
No comment on that meeting and the new amendment from the Port of New Orleans. The next meeting of the St. Bernard Port Authority is scheduled for April. In tonight's crime